Good day, everyone. Today, I will demonstrate the procedure for computing the Pearson Correlation Coefficient using Microsoft Excel. First, we begin by entering the data into the spreadsheet. After this, position the cursor on any empty cell. Click on the function sign, fx, located on the toolbar. A dialog box will appear. From the list, select the CORREL function and then click OK. Another dialog box will be displayed. Here, indicate the cell ranges for Array 1 and Array 2. In this example, Array 1 represents the data on the number of absences. Array 2 represents the data on examination marks. Once the ranges are specified, click OK. The computed result is -0.851, which is the Pearson Correlation Coefficient. This value indicates a significant negative correlation between the number of absences and the final grade. In other words, the more frequently a student is absent, the lower their final grade is likely to be. That concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.